Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Tashit Prashant. Friend, in today's video we are going to discuss about underground cables. Friend, this is the complete English version of this video. The same video also uploaded on my YouTube channel in Hindi. If you want the Hindi version, then you can check it in the description. So coming towards the video in underground cables, friend, today we are going to discuss or see what type of protective layers are used in underground cable and what are their uses. For example, bedding, armoring, lead sheath, serving. These all are the protective layers used in underground cables. Firstly, before starting the video, friend, I would like to tell you that in underground cables, we require more amount of protections as compared to overheaded cables. Because friend, if any fault occurs in the overheaded cable, then we can easily recognize it and we can repair or resolve the fault. But if any fault comes comes in underground cable, as these cables are under the earth, so it is very difficult to recognize the fault, and for finding the fault we have to dig the earth, and then afterward we will take out the cable out, and then we will find where is the fault. So it is necessary that we are providing large amount of protection so that the fault in the underground cable will be reduced. Now coming towards the point that what are the protective layers in underground cable. First, the point is conductor. Friend, you all know about conductor. It is used for providing the path to so that the current can flow. Means current is flowing through the conductor. But one thing you have to understand that in underground cable, as the conductor is shown, is not like this as shown in the image. In image it is shown that single conductor, solid conductor. But in underground cables, the conductor is stranded wire conductor. Friend, stranded means in underground cables, the conductor is in this form, means several small thin wires are there which forming a single conductor, not a solid conductor as shown in this image. Here is shown solid single conductor. So why we are using stranded conductor in underground cables? To provide the flexibility to cable, because if single conductor will be used like this, under this condition the cable will be not flexible. But on the other hand, if we are using small wires, thin wires, and then we are making the conductor, then the flexibility of the cable is increased. Other is, friend, insulation. We all know that insulation is provided so that intersection of conductor is not possible. If insulation will not be there, then the conductor will connect with each other and the cable will become short. And the level of insulation, friend, depends upon voltage. More the voltage, more thickness will be of insulation. And the type of insulation that we are using is paper insulation, that is impregnated paper, or sometimes we are also using rubber compounds for the insulation. Friend, then now starting the protective layers. First is the lead sheath. It is also called as metallic sheet, but it is made up of lead or also aluminium. Lead or either aluminium. So the name is given lead sheet. The main function of lead sheet is to protect insulation from moisture. Because friend, underground cable is inside the earth. Under this condition, the cable is under earth, so there are several moisture or gases or oil in the earth, due to which the cable can absorb the moisture, and if moisture is coming, then it will be absorbed by the insulation. So if insulation will absorb the moisture, under this condition the earthing of the conductor will be possible, or it will also damage the insulation. So to protect the insulation from moisture, lead sheath is used. Now coming towards the bedding. Friend, bedding is used to protect lead sheet from mechanical injuries through armoring. As lead sheet is also of metal and armoring is also made up of metal, the metal used for making armoring is either galvanized steel or steel tape. So this is also metal and lead sheet is also metal. If we are not putting bedding between these two layers, then what will happen? This metal will damage this metal, lead sheet metal. So we are using bedding between sheath and armoring. The bedding is made up of fibrous material like jute. When you are cutting the cable, you have seen that threads are coming from the cables. These threads are what? Beddings. They are used to protect lead sheet from armoring. Now, as I have told you that armoring is made up of metal. Which metal? Galvanized steel. So what is its function? Its function is to provide the mechanical strength to cable. Otherwise, what will happen if this layer will not be there? Then when we are handling the cable, under that conditions the mechanical injuries can take place to the cable or the cable will damage. So to prevent this damage we are using galvanized steel layers, and that is protecting the entire cable. And last is the serving. Friend, the function of serving is also same as lead sheet. It is also preventing the entire cable from attack of moisture. Means what serving is doing? Protecting the entire cable from moisture. So these are the all protective layers used in the underground cables. In short, again I am telling you that conductor to flow of the current, insulation, then after insulation lead sheet which is used to protect insulation from moisture attack, then bedding is protecting lead sheet from armoring, because armoring is also metal and this metal will damage lead sheet. So we are using bedding between the armoring and lead sheet. Bedding is made up of fibrous material like jute, thread जो निकलती हैं, and after that armoring which prevents the mechanical injuries to cable, and then last is the serving which is also protecting from moisture attack on the cable. So friend, I hope that all the layers has been explained to you. Now also if you are having any doubt then you can tell me in the comment section. So if you like the video friend, share the video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.